soon. Hold on, come. I'm not taking no picture right now.
Don't make them drag you out.
I'm not taking no picture right now. Hello, can I get a cab, please? You don't have any cab, you can't call no cab. Okay. Hold on there. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. My other phone there. Look how me a behave. Call the police for me now. Look how me a behave. You know see me a disrupt on the place. Be a nice people sit down up there. So call police for me now. Call the police, please. See, if you drop my Bible, watch me here. For that, where you do? Where you there? Where you there?
Yeah, me I used.
Send one cab for me, please.
Yeah, man. But I said, yeah. But I send the cab from where to where?
Send the cab for me, please. Send the cab. When the cab come, me tell it where me I go.
Alright. Let me call you right now.
Want to the Benz? Them thief my bank statement and Scotia clamp my account. So me hey, when stop call my fucking phone no man. Stop call my phone. Want to the Benz? Big pussy vanity. Hey, don't make me start call name, you know. Big stinking pussy vanity. My stylist thief my bank statement out of my suitcase. Before me left go foreign 2 weeks ago, me left my suitcase with director Robin Chin. And Robin Chin gave Vanity my suitcases without my permission. And when me ready for my suitcase, when me go BMW, when me ready for my bank statement, the bank statement gone. Right? Then Scotia Bank go tell me, say me have to wait 180 days before them can retrieve back the money where them thief out of my account. And that happen. That's why I not drive my BMW. Alright? You no go suck on no mama now. Trisha, y'all laugh it not funny, you know. All who laugh it not funny.